In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post using Meta Business Suite. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to keep your content fresh and updated with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Meta Business Suite. Once you're there, look to the left-hand menu and locate the content section. This is your gateway to managing all of your posts effectively. Click on that and you'll find yourself in the main window where all the magic happens. Here, in the main window, you'll see a collection of your posts. To make the process easier, use the filtering options available to sort through your published, scheduled, or even expired posts. This ensures you can quickly find the exact post you need without having to sift through everything manually. Once you've located the post you want to edit, click on it to open it up in the post editor. Now that you're in the post editor, you're ready to make changes. This is where you can adjust the text, swap out media, or tweak any other details related to your post. Make sure to review your content thoroughly and make all the necessary alterations to align with your current objectives or updates. Take your time here to ensure every detail is just how you want it. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to share them with your audience. If you want to update the post immediately, click on the Publish button. This will make your edited post go live right away, reaching all of your followers. However, if you're not quite ready to share your changes or want to review them later, you have the option to Save Draft. This allows you to revisit your edits, giving you the flexibility to refine them further before making them public. That's it, you're done. By following these steps, you ensure your content stays relevant and engaging, keeping your audience informed and interested. Remember, editing your posts is an invaluable tool for maintaining high-quality content that reflects your or your brand's current voice and messaging. Whether you're updating information, altering graphics, or making quick adjustments, staying on top of your content with regular edits can significantly elevate your social media strategy. Keep practicing these steps to become more efficient over time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out other tutorials to enhance your Meta Business Suite mastery. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.